How to remove these little wheels on your shark floor tool. So why would you want to do this? Well, hair gets tangled around them and then it stops them from rolling, and then this can damage your floors. Now typically I've been asked this question today, so I'm doing this very quick video and I haven't got any sharks in where the hair is actually tangled that much around the wheel, but I'm still going to show you. The most common type of wheel across the sharks is this small wheel where you can see the little metal pin that goes through the middle. To remove this, I've seen other people use a big screwdriver to lift up the whole wheel. The trouble is, if that doesn't work perfectly the first time, it can damage your wheel and then it makes them misshapen and you end up with a vacuum cleaner that's going which we don't want. So I do it in a way that eliminates that risk. I put a small flat-headed screwdriver down one side underneath the metal pin, and then I just lift, and then you can get a pair of pliers and pull the pin out. That way we're not damaging the actual wheel itself. These are just made out of plastic or rubber, so yeah, this is the safest way to do it. But as with everything shark, there's gonna be variations. Another common variation is if you've got this type of floor tool where you lift the clips up on each side and you can take the cover off the top. Now why is that different? If you look at the wheels, they're slightly bigger and you can't really see each side of the pin. You definitely can't get under it with a screwdriver. On this type of model, to take the wheels off, you actually have to take the side off. Now I've got a full take apart video available on my channel. I'll put the link in the description and in the top corner now. But if we're just accessing the wheels, unclip the cover that covers the screw. On bigger models you might have a couple of these. Remember, this is only the ones with the cover on the top. Now you need to undo the screw underneath at the back, and then you can prise the cover off. That flicks off and probably everything flies everywhere, but the wheel is there. So then you can just take that out, remove any hair, put it back, put the cover back on, everything's done. So it's not as easy if you've got this type of model, but I can't really think of any other major differences between the wheels. So I'll leave it there. If anyone out there finds any weird and wonderful difference I've not discussed today, bear in mind we don't have the US models in the UK. Please put your model number in the comments and feel free to explain to everyone how you did it. We're all in this together, we're all trying to help each other. So if there's a better tip that you know of that I've not discussed, please just put it in the comments. That's what they're there for. Please subscribe to my channel for more shark help videos. This next one shows you how to remove the brush from your floor tool.